Good morning. Welcome back to this week's video. Lost Leader Weekly Sales. Is it a buy or a bust? Let's go shopping and I'll show you exactly what I would choose this week for the Lost Leader sales. And you will see that the sales are a little bit more encouraging this week for meats, vegetables, fruits, not so much. However, you'll see that there are some buys out there. I'm going to suggest what I would pick up and show you what I'm going to buy, and we'll get into the grocery store, take a look, and fill your cart with items that will benefit you. So let's get into the video, let's get moving, and let's talk about this week's Lost Leader sales. So it's August 25th. These sales will start tomorrow. And today I want to give you a sneak peek of what the sales are. So you'll see right here that they do have a few items up for sale this week. Now, as you know, I am not an advocate nor a consumer of frozen food items, packaged items, canned items, or any processed items at the supermarket. If it's not laying out in the produce department, the fruits, I don't buy it. If it's not in the meat department displayed in the butcher counter or on packaged meats, I don't buy it. Dairy, I buy only eggs, milk, cheese, and sour cream, that type of thing, and butter. So again, I don't buy packaged foods. That's just my preference of what I do. But there are some here this week that I'm going to share with you that you might want to stock up on because prices are going to continue to go up exponentially in the next few weeks with what's happening now with our current tariffs. I don't even need to get into all that nonsense. It's here. So here we go. So you'll see right here, they have what's called order online and save. Now your order online and save is a little something different. They're going to offer these items to you only if you order them online and drive up and pick them up. See, they don't want you in the stores any longer. The reason they don't want you in the stores is because they're going to handpick for you your items that you'll see on sale to offer to you. Somebody else is going to pick them up, put them in a cart, put them in a bag, bring them to your car for your convenience. I, for one, like to look at what I'm buying. I want to touch it, look at it, smell it, feel it before I ever buy it because I want my senses to engage my palate for my money spent for my freezer and my pantry. However, they have here order and save. You're going to get $30 off your first online order of $75. So if you're an online shopper and this is going to be your first time shopping at your Albertsons or your Safeway or your other food chains that are under this umbrella, you're going to get $30 off your first $75 order. Now they do have a gallon of milk at $2.49 each. However, you must order online and pick it up. You cannot get that price by shopping in the store. Sad, but the facts of our society. Now they also have bottled water here. They have the Refresh water, which is 40 packs, which is 16 ounces of water, $3.99 each for the first two. So you're going to be able to get 80 bottles of water for roughly $8, which is what, 10 cents a bottle? Pretty good deal if you buy bottled water. I do not. I'm not going to have somebody put purified water in a plastic bottle and sell it to me. You also see that they have here what I think is another decent buy if you're going to buy is they have packaged fruit. Now it's Signature brand. Now I did ask AI Signature brand who packages this for Safeway chain stores, Albertsons, and their Signature brand is like great value at Walmart. Signature is their brand, and it doesn't tell you who packages it for them or where the products come from unless you turn the package around and scan the bar in the store. It'll tell you the origin of where this fruit comes from. I will tell you this from my research, the fruit comes from a mixture of either Chile, Mexico, and the United States, and perhaps other countries. They mix all the fruit together, so you can't tell exactly where the fruit is originating from, and then it is packaged in the bag for you. So buyer beware, fruit comes from everywhere. But they do have Signature Select frozen fruits for $2.49 each. Now you've got to watch it and be really careful in your selection because it says 8 to 16 ounce. Now does that mean the $2.49 is an 8 ounce? Probably. Does that mean the $2.49 each is a 16 ounce? Most likely not. So make sure you choose wisely so that you get the price structure that they're offering at that price. First two is what you're able to get. They also have your signature select frozen vegetables. I, for one, do not buy frozen vegetables. And in fact, I don't buy vegetables right now because they are too expensive. I have them prepped, frozen, individually packaged in my freezer from months ago when I started prepping when things were on sale. But they do have signature select frozen vegetables, 4 for $5, which is a really decent sale if you want to buy these frozen vegetables that you see here. Now they also have here your signature select potatoes, which are your tater tots or your hash browns already made for you, 2 for $5. Again, that is your 20 to 32 ounce. It doesn't tell you specifically what the $5 one is. My guess it's the 20 ounce, not the 32 ounce. And it says select varieties. You can get 2. So if you're too inept to prep your own potatoes, they'll do it for you. You'll just pay the price. They do have also granulated sugar. It is their brand again, signature brand, and they also have flour. They have the 4 pounds of sugar. You can get $2.99 each on those, and they also have the flour, 2 for $5, which is $2.50 a bag for a 5-pound bag. Decent buy. That's for drive up only. Ordered online, and you'll get it. Now, they also have what I think is a decent deal this week, which is the all-natural pork shoulder right here for 97 cents a pound, and it says it is sold whole in a bag. So they prepackaged the poundage for you. It's 97 cents a pound. Your first 2 bags are at that price while supplies last. Now, that's something that they're adding, while supplies last. The supplies last is because when the supply is gone, they're not going to offer that price, and they won't give you a rain check. So it's while supplies last. So get there on Wednesday, which is the first day of the sale. Now we grind it, we bring it home, and we grind it. We grind it so we can mix it up and make sausage out of it. That's what we do. You do you, boo. Never apologize. No apologies, right? They also have what they call a red hot digital deal here with avocados at 67 cents each. I, for one, will not buy them. They are way too expensive. And it doesn't tell you which avocados they are. I like the Haas, Haas brand. They don't tell you what the brand is, where they're coming from. You can get the first 5 for 67 cents each. Too expensive, but there they are if you want them. They also have the digital deal here at $1.47 each, which is a decent price for their Lucerne cheese. You can get the sliced cheese, the brick cheese, the shredded cheese, or their cream cheese. And it's the 6 to 8 ounce package. And you can get the first 6 again for $1.47 each. Decent buy if you want to stock up on your cheese. If you've watched my videos, you know that we buy the cheese this way as the block. We grind it ourselves at home here, shredding it and put it in the pre-packaged containers so that we can make individual servings out of them so we don't waste it. We do buy the block. I don't buy it pre-shredded because I want to be able to shred it and put the amount I want into a pre-packaged bag in our freezer so we have it to use whenever we want. So we buy it when it's on sale. I want to backtrack a moment to the pork. Now on the pork, we do grind it and we make sausage, and that's what we have here. Whenever they have any type of pork, pork sirloin, pork steak, pork roast, we buy it, we shred it, and we make sausage. The next thing they have on sale is not the ground beef. It is $4.99 a pound this week. I would bypass it. Don't buy it. They have berries, 2 for $4 right here. I am still hesitant on buying the blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries. It's a 6 ounce, which means they're $2 each. They were at 99 cents about 6 months ago, so they have increased in price. I'm still hesitant to buy them because of the salmonella issue. It's up to you. You do you, boo. There they are if you want to buy them. Now, they also have cheap chicken. They have it for Monday only. That's the only day you can get it, $7 each. You can get your pre-cooked chicken package to take home with you. It's a whole chicken. You can get them for $7 each. I, for one, think that's a little pricey. You're paying to have someone else cook it for you. Nevertheless, there it is on Monday if you want it. Now, they also have this collage here of 99 cents collection of sale items, and it's going to show you here different things. They have the signature select pasta, they have olives, mac and cheese, tomato paste, refried beans, um, Pick Sweet steamers. They have the Nissan bowls, the Too Good yogurt, Starkist tuna. The list is endless. All of them are 99 cents each. You can mix, you can match, you can pick up as many as you'd like. Up to you to do it. I don't buy anything packaged, but there it is if you want to stock up. They also have going on this week at a decent buy. They have their Lucerne butter at $2.99 each. Last week it was $2.47 each. This week it's $2.99, and I believe the regular price is $4 something. It's like usually $4.59, so that's a decent price if you want to pick up some butter. You get the first four, so you can buy four for $2.99 each, 16 ounce. They have eggs again at $1.47 each. We will buy those. They are the Lucerne cage-free eggs, 12 ounce, $1.49 each. Decent buy. I would buy those. Now, don't forget that if you do delivery or drive up, pick up your free package of Genio lean ground turkey. That's free to you. If you order online, you drive up, or you have it delivered. Don't forget to click the coupon here for your free Genio turkey. Okay, what else we got going on this week? Now, they also have this week your russet Idaho potatoes. Now, they're $1.99 each. It is a 5-pound bag. They were selling them for 99 cents for 5 pounds. Those days are over. They're now $1.99 for 5 pounds. So if you want the potatoes, we certainly buy them. We blanch them, cook them, peel them, and I freeze them into individual servings here at the house. So whenever I want fried potatoes, steamed potatoes, or mashed potatoes, I have a serving size in my freezer to pull out and use for dinner. For a 5-pound bag, it doesn't say there's a limit on there, so pick up as many as you want. We normally get 20 pounds at a time, and we blanch them, cut them, prep them, freeze them. Okay, they also have this week for your liking, your pasta rice-a-ronis. They're 77 cents a box when you buy 12. 12 at 77 cents is going to cost you roughly $9 for 12 boxes of rice-a-roni. I'm telling you, don't do it. Buy yourself a 1-pound or 2-pound bag of rice. Get off your lazy backside. Cook it yourself for right around $5 for 30 servings. That's why we prep, and that's why we're frugal. Alrighty, they also have here, which is a decent buy this week, hot all natural boneless chicken breast for $1.67 a pound while supplies last, and you get your first 8 pounds. I always ask them to give me 7.5 pounds, because if they go over 8 pounds, you're gonna pay the difference in price per poundage. So if it's 8.1, 8.2, 8.5, you're gonna pay the difference in the price for $1.67 higher. I always ask for 7.5 pounds. But they do have the chicken breast. Now, we do buy these and we prep them. Here's why. We cut them up, we package them, and we freeze them into individual packets like this. So I have a meal for Kevin and I whenever I want. I go to the freezer, I pull it out. It's already prepped. We bought it at $1.67, and we have 7.5 pounds of that in the freezer. We also buy it and we grind it. So instead of eating ground beef, which is too expensive, we use ground chicken, and you can do a lot with ground chicken. Watch my videos, go to my page. You'll see how we create a lot of different meals using ground chicken. Now, they also have low price on items you buy most, and it shows your vegetables right here. We don't buy vegetables, period, until they come down in price. And if they don't come down in price, we're not eating vegetables. I do have frozen in my freezer, and I will buy some more this week, carrots. We keep carrots frozen in the freezer, cut them into individual servings, package them. I always have fresh carrots. We do it with tomatoes, we do it with onions, we do it with squash, and we do it with peppers, and we do it with spinach. So I have a supply. I'm not spending $1.50 for a bell pepper, and that's what they're asking. We're not going to eat bell peppers, so we don't buy them. We're not buying the corn. They're showing a package of 4 for $5. I'm not spending $1.25 for an ear of corn. Not happening in my home. I have corn packaged, individually wrapped, blanched, in my freezer, prepped from corn when it was on sale for 19 cents an ear. So we're not buying it. Now they also have $1.79 a pound for broccoli crowns and cauliflower. Again, we're not going to buy it. Way too expensive. Jalapeno chili peppers, not buying them. Don't trust because of the recall. We won't buy them. All right, so that's all they have for vegetables. As you know, vegetables are lean in between this week because of the recalls. Now, don't forget to click your member deals. On your member deals, you'll see when you click it, your deals will pop up. What I do see on here is I have spinach salad, $1.80 a bag, and those are spinach leaves. We're going to buy those. I will bring them home. I will rinse them, let them dry out a bit, and we just freeze them individually packaged so I can cook with spinach. Great source of iron, fiber, right in my meals. So we're going to buy that. They also have, that I'm going to buy this week, they have your organic carrots. I could care less if they're organic or not, but the carrots are $4.29 for a 5-pound bag. So just a little over $1 a pound for carrots. I'm going to buy 5 pounds. Maybe I'll get 10. And we cut them, we blanch them, we freeze them. We always have carrots in the freezer. So I will do that, getting it off my U deal. So don't forget to take a look at your U deals because sometimes there's items on there that you just simply can't pass off. So I believe that's it for this week's Grab and Go Lost Leader Sales at the Supermarket. Is it going to be a buy or a bust? You decide. However you do, whatever you shop for, however you fill your cart, do it wisely, do it with intention, do it with thought. Get in, get out, keep your blinders on. Don't pick up the little things that you think you need real quick before you get out of that store. Prep it, bag it, because prices are going to continue to skyrocket come September into December. Trust me. Till next time, be well, take care of yourself. Give me a thumbs up, like, and get to prepping. Till next time, ciao. No apologies. You do you, boo.